Hello everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I'm going to show you the July Let's Create Craft Kit. So this is a monthly subscription, and each month I choose a bundle and then I create 5 projects for you, usually 4 cards and a 3D project. This month is a really fun one. And we are using the Lily of the Valley bundle, but I made a boo-boo and I did not order my dies. I don't know, I guess I ordered just the stamp set and I didn't order the bundle. But the dies, they coordinate with the stamp set very well. So mine will be coming in, and they will come in prior to your kit's shipping and everything. But so my cards might be a little different because I had to fussy cut everything. But there's, these are die cuts. These all have die cuts to them. Mine, again, are all fussy cut, but you will need this bundle to put your projects together. So let's go over the projects. So this, oops, my bow just fell off. This is the first project, and it's a card that opens like so. Just a little thank you. So again, I had to fussy cut all this, but there are dies to cut those. Here's another card, and displaying all that fun designer series paper. The piece that we tore off here, we put it on the inside. This is a fun one. So this is actually it'll hold a seed packet, and I will include the seed packet. And any die cuts that are not included in the bundle, I will die cut for you. So I'll send you the die cuts. Like this is one I'll send you, this one back here. These circles I'll be sending, this one, they're all included in your kit. So just know that. You'll have to die cut whatever's in the bundle. Again, here's another one that's not in the bundle. And that's other card. And then this one is a really fun box. It's a 2-tone box, but I'm not going to show you what's inside it. You could put whatever you want, but when I do the video tutorial, I'll show you what's inside, because what's inside is a surprise for you, included this month. It's an exclusive liquid glue holder, but that's all I'm going to say. So this fun box, you can put whatever you want in yours. So those are your 5 projects. Like I said, the 4 cards and the 3D. And you are going to get way over $20 in Stampin' Up! Product this time. You're going to get a full spool of the Darling Duckling ribbon, which you use on your projects. You're going to get a half a pack of these shimmer dots, because these have been on back order and I'm still waiting for them. So they've been hard to get, but you'll get a half a pack of this. And you're going to get a half a pack of this lovely designer series paper. Again, you will use all this on your projects. And I send mine, my class kits, your sheets stay 12 by 12. I have a box. I was able to find a box that I could put it in 12 by 12 with all of your project packets and your product. And so it's $45 for the whole kit. But again, you will need to have the bundle. If you want to order the bundle for me, just email me and let me know. And then I pay the tax and shipping from Stampin' Up! And I will include it in your kit. All right, if you have any questions, the registration for this one ends July 14th. And then we will start with registration. Well, unless you're already subscribed, you will just automatically be billed for the August kit. All right. Thanks very much. Bye.